So now we're at Kualoa Ranch. This is where you can buy or purchase the ticket for the tour here on one of those it's called ABT, is that what it's called, where you can ride those wide motorcycle looking thing, ATV, I think that's what it's called, ATV. But we don't have time for that today, but I just wanted to show you how Kualoa Ranch looks like. So this is the entrance here. You might notice the mountain behind it. I believe the Jurassic Park was filmed in this area. So if you look at those mountains, you might hear the song that goes dun 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 dun. So that's the type of ATV that you can rent to have the tour here. I believe this is the where you purchase the tickets for zip line and Jurassic Adventure tour. You can see the T-Rex head right there. Wow, yeah, look at those mountains. Let's see. So it's toward the visitor center. Let's see what we can see here. You're gonna see random dinosaur throughout the ranch. Okay, more dinosaurs. Oh wow. Okay, I guess this is the years that they visited. Mr. Miyagi was here. 1980. Oh, is that where he was filmed? Oh, I think these are where he was filmed. Yeah, I guess Karate Kid 2 was filmed here. Oh, okay. Tom Selleck, Magnum PI. Of course, Lost was filmed here. George of the Jungle. Oh wow. And of course, Jurassic Park. To the mountain with the ridges. Yep.
Godzilla too.
Oh wow. Godzilla? Oh okay.
And of course they can.
Oh yeah, easy, yeah.
Another Godzilla.
Wow.
BTS is here.
Why was...
Hey.
Huh?
BTS is here.
Okay. Why was BTS here? Oh, okay. So BTS was here on a Wings tour promotion video. Okay, 2017. Okay. Representing K-pop. All right. Oh, Zoe Kravitz did the commercial here. Oh wow. Of course. And Daniel Day Kim from Lost. Wow. And John Goodman. A lot of famous people were here. Oh, then Jurassic World was recorded here too. Yeah, so all these mountains in the back was from Kualoa Ranch that we see. Let me show you. Oh yeah. Oh, Obama was here too. Yeah. So all those movies and videos were recorded here. Yeah. Very cool. So we're inside the Kualoa market. So they have all these the local produce. They got the ulu chips, ulu, and some meat here. The ulu is they call it a breadfruit, ulu. So it's this one right here, I believe. Yeah. So I guess I don't know what kind of flavor. Oh, it says it's a starchy and mild, slightly sweet. Oh, okay, sounds good. And they got the, what is this?
Cacao.
Cacao fruit, where they make a cocoa, right?
Oh, yeah.
Cocoa powder. Oh, very cool. Yeah.
That was a big spoon.
Sour sop. Ginger. Oh, apple banana we tried earlier. Yeah, I've never seen apple banana before. Yeah, it's like has a little bit of apple taste. It's like apple and banana combined. I don't know if it's native to here or somebody engineered it, but it has a unique taste.
Buy one.
Papaya, they got some apples, taro, which is called Kualoa here, and sugar cane. And some local, oh, I think they have local honey here too. Nice. So our son really wanted to buy this cacao fruit. We never tried it before. So from Kualoa Market, the Kualoa Ranch. Yeah, we never tried this before. And then the lady who works here, she said if you shake it to know when it's ripe, is when it's like red, orange, or yellow. But if you shake it, you should be able to feel something moving inside. And then, yeah, we do. So we got this one right here. And then we're gonna, I just said, don't eat the outer shell, they're very, very thick. But you eat the pulp, the surrounding the seeds. So we're gonna go home, and when we go back to our Airbnb, we're gonna try it out. So before we leave, we wanted to record this moment one more time. The Jurassic Park mountain. Man. Yeah, I don't know any other place in the world that has this kind of mountain. Those ridges. Wow. Maybe there is, but not that I know of. Yeah, Kualoa Ranch. Definitely check it out. Very cool place. And if you have a time and money, do the tour. Do the tour here too. Kualoa Ranch in Oahu, Hawaii. Okay, so we're gonna cut open the cacao fruit and see how it tastes. But let's see if we can crack it open first. I know that from the lady who works there, the shell is very strong. Okay, you want to try cutting it?
Yeah.
Ooh, careful. Okay, now.
That's actually kind of strong.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Like, careful. Watch your fingers. Your fingers too close. Oh. Can you pull it out?
Yeah.
Oh. What the heck? Okay. I guess so the fruit is inside. Okay.
I wonder what that is.
That's probably the stem. Okay. Cut the other side. Cut the other side too. Yeah, same thing.
Right here.
Yeah. Oh, watch your finger. Your finger's too close. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Try eat the fruit. Try eat the straight. Yeah. Just at the white.
Oh, that's kind of good.
Yeah? You can just take the whole thing. Try it. Let me try. Okay, first time trying cacao fruit. It looks kind of scary. Let me see how it tastes. Okay. Little bit, it's like a little bit sour and sweet, and then yeah, and then what's I know that in order to get the actual cacao powder, you gotta like ferment it, and then roast it, and then grind it, and all that stuff. But we're just gonna eat the seed. Okay. Can you open the rest of it if you're done eating? Okay, so this is how it looks like after we cut in half. Oh, we got some falling out here. Let me try some more. It's like sweet and sour, right?
Barely sour though.
But not much to eat though. You gotta kind of eat it like a candy almost. How much did we pay for this? $3. Okay. Yeah, I mean $3 is a good experience. All right. So now we can say we ate cacao fruit.